Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what my dog eats in a day. Homemade food. Normally she eats this is it the dry potato food. This one. All this here I got them for just 2,500. Yes, 2,500 naira. Carrots, this is 200 naira carrots. This liver 500. Eggs, these are just the ones from home, so I took it. Then potato, this is 200 naira potato. Meat of 1,000 naira. Then this red kidney beans, I got it for 400. Normal rice from home. So this is what we are going to be cooking for her. So I'm just going to get cut it into small pieces and just get it ready for me to cook. Then I'll come back. Okay, so now I'm done cutting them. Now I have my pots here, so I'm just going to add everything in it. My carrots here, my beans is still here. So I'm going to first start with the potato. This is the potato. How this came to be this color, I just washed off the back. So with the back I'm going to pour them into my pot. Then I'm going to follow it with my beef, then the kidney, then the liver, and I'm going to add the carrots. I dice them into this now. I'm going to show you guys how inside looks when I'm done. Then I'm adding my red kidney beans. This is how it looks inside. So then I'm going to add my water. So I'm going to mix it so that it won't stay one place. I'll have different things. I'm just going to boil it for 20 minutes. Then after 20 minutes, I'll come to check it. So this is how it looks. It's still watery. This is where I'll add my rice. Let's give it a turn first. I'm going to add water to allow the rice boil. This should be enough since we are also going to add the egg. I'm going to turn again. I feel I should add more rice, more water. So now we're going to allow it to boil for another 10 minutes. So this is how it looks. This is already thick enough, but I'm still going to add the egg. I'm not going to really leave it for long. So you can actually put the egg shell inside. You can blend it, you can break it. Personally, I prefer to break it. So this is the final look, exactly how thick I want it to be. So now we're going to leave this for 5 minutes to cool down. Then after 5 minutes, I'm going to serve as I'm going to put everything I use in making this meal in the description box below, so you can check it out. So this is what I have now. I'm going to put this one in the freezer, then put this one in the fridge. Then I have the one I'm going to give Amelia. So let's see if she likes it. Okay, she's eating it.